In this presentation, I will show you how to use cloud storage and share documents or files with other people. So I decided to use Google Drive for mine since I already have an account set up. Now you can use other accounts if you would like, but I went ahead and just used one that I've already created. So to create anything new, you hit this new button right here. You can share your documents, share your spreadsheets, or share your slides. And if you click on it, which I won't because just for this purpose, for sharing purposes, you would click on Google Slides and it would allow you to create your own document. And then if you want to upload a folder, you click the upload folder button here. You can also do the same for file upload, and then if you would also like to create a new folder, you can click folder and it will allow you to name it, and then it will be saved onto your drive. So as you can see here I already have some documents and a folder created, so I will show you how to go about that. So I'm going to click on my EDCI270 folder. And then you'll see under folders, I have a subfolder, and that one is titled Course Theme. So I'll go ahead and click on it. And in this Course Theme folder, you can see that I have two things right now. I have a Dolphins PowerPoint that I created, and then also a document that I created about why I chose that topic. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to share my document of sea animals with you. So you click on the document, and once you do that, it will upload your document for you. And to share your document with people, you click the share button here, and it will give your link to the people so they can share it. And you enter either their names or email addresses as shown here. And once you do that, you can hit done, and it will send it to them so they can share. And just a few tips, you want to make sure when you're sharing that you can make it editable to the other people so that they can add comments or do whatever they need to. But that's the main thing that you need to make sure of when you're sharing documents, that you need to make sure that you can share it and they can be able to edit it. So this is how you use cloud storing and being able to share information and all the useful tools that come of doing cloud storage on Google Drive. Thank you for listening.